Hi everyone. Today's video is about the novella The Little Prince written by the late French aviator and writer Antoine de Saint-Exupery. It was originally published in French with the name Petit Prince in 1943. From then on, has been translated to about 300 languages across the globe. Okay, that was just some facts about the book. Now, let me get straight to what's the book about. Even though the book The Little Prince is a novella, it's a fabled story. The main theme of the book is how grown ups have forgotten questioning even the simplest thing about life, and how, as a child, we have had so many questions or doubts regarding every action the grown up takes, and yet, eventually, as age passes, when we turn into grown ups, we have forgotten to ask questions and lived in a mundane way which everyone is living. The story starts where this child wants to become an artist, where he draws things like a boa constrictor, supposedly a large heavy bodied snake, who has swallowed an elephant, but when he shows that picture to grown ups, they interpret it as a hat. Then he draws a skeleton version of that drawing showing elephant inside the boa constrictor, for which grown ups advise him that he should not get into drawing and do some serious studies. The child takes that advice into consideration and goes on to become a pilot in the future. On one of his expeditions, the pilot's aircraft breaks down and hits down the Sahara Desert. It is in this place the pilot, who is now a grown up, meets the little prince who has apparently come down now to Earth from an asteroid P612 and makes a request to a pilot. It is something the pilot had stopped doing long back because grown-ups thought he was never good at it. What exactly is that request? You need to read the book for that. The pilot then deduces from the bits and pieces of information given by Little Prince that the Little Prince has traveled across various planets questioning the statements made by the grown-ups, and he never stops until his question has been answered. And throughout his journey, he feels that grown ups are strange. As the little prince travels across the planets, he comes across various meanings of life which are depicted in a way that we readers have to infer the meaning from. I guess I will stop here. That's it about the book. Now, coming to what I liked about the book. Well, it's definitely a feel good kind of book. The book takes you through the beautiful journey of the little prince, and the graphical representation makes justice to our imagination. If you want to add some words to your vocabulary and learn some phrases, then this book is good for you. The writing style is simple and divided into small chapters. Even though it is easy as per the writing style, I would still not suggest it to beginners, considering that the readers only have to figure out the underlying meaning from the book at certain parts, especially in the ending. My favorite part of the book was where the little prince goes to every planet and asks questions related to those situations, and how he figures out how grown-ups' thoughts are totally distorted. Now, what I did not like about the book. The main point I did not like about the book was the ending, which left me totally confused. I mean, the book had a beautiful journey, and the ending didn't give me the satisfaction for the entire book that I read. I hope you got what I mean. It started off with something related to grown-ups' mentality, and to an extent it was continuing with that, and I thought the moral of the story would revolve around that, but I felt the ending was not related to how it started off with the strong meaning. If you happen to read this book and got a meaning out of the ending, please let me know in the comments below and we can discuss on that. Another part I did not like is that it was not engaging enough for me to complete in one or couple of sittings. Even though it was a short book of 144 pages, I took my own time to complete this book. Never in a day I thought about it while doing other work. I felt that part of the book was missing in this book, that engaging factor. But when you pick up the book and start reading, it sails you through. Now, coming for the rating. For the engagement factor, I would give it 3 on 5 stars. For the climax, I would give 3 on 5 stars. For the writing style, I would give 4 on 5 stars. For the story, I would give 3.5 on 5 stars. For the characters, 5 on 5 stars. In total, I would give it a 3.5 on 5 stars. Do I recommend this book to you? Yes, I would recommend you to read this book, and you can let me know your interpretation of the ending and we can chat about it in the comments. Yeah, that's it for this video guys. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Until my next video. Bye bye.